In this video, we will cover equations with variables on both sides. For equations with variables on both sides, we perform operations on both sides to move all the variables or pronumerals onto one side of the equation, or the numbers onto the other side of the equation. These type of equations require multiple steps, so it's important to have clear working out. Now we will answer some questions. The first step is to get the number to the other side. I like to have the numbers on the right hand side and the letters on the left hand side. So I want to move the plus 6. Now remember, the inverse operation is minus 6. And we write it under the similar term on the other side, so the 18. The 6's cancel out and we're left with 3a equals a plus 12. I then want to get rid of the a by itself on the right hand side because I want all the letters on the left. To move the a, I can minus a from both sides. Now remember, 3a minus a is 2a. Imagine it like you have apples. If we have 3 apples and we take away an apple, there is 2 apples left. And finally, we need to split the 2 and the a up. Remember, it's 2 times a, so we need to do the opposite, which is divide. The 2's cancel out, and we're left with a equals 6. We will follow the same steps. I want the numbers on the right and the letters on the left. I want to move the plus 5 first, so I'll do the opposite, which is minus 5. I then want to move the 2n. I don't want to split the 2n up yet. I want to move the 2 and the n together. Because it's positive, I know I need to minus 2n. Now we have 6n, take away 2n. And the last step, divide by 4. We'll follow the same steps we have previously. Two r is left over. Now we need to get rid of the minus 5r. So we do the opposite, which is plus 5r. And then divide by 7. This time, this equation is a little bit different. We don't have any normal, regular numbers on the left-hand side. So what I want to do is move the negative 8k. To do that, I will plus 8k to both sides. And then divide by 18. To end this video, we'll do a quick recap. Remember, equations with variables on both sides, and to solve them, we perform operations on both sides to move all the variables, or pronumerals, onto one side of the equation, and all the numbers onto the other side of the equation. These type of equations require multiple steps, so it's really important to have the clear working out. Now, it's preferable to have your pronumeral on the left and your number on the right. And while your steps do not have a specific order, I personally prefer to move the numbers first and then the pronumerals. But no order matters, and you can move the pronumerals first and then deal with the numbers.